We are pleased to show you the 2026 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, sunroof package, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.